Yo, what's up? It's the Kush Man, and we're almost ready for our big install day. Think we're probably gonna do this next weekend. But yeah, we got the Perrin turbo inlet here. We got our Cobb flex fuel kit. Whole bunch of little miscellaneous parts. This isn't gonna be easy, but with all the other things I've done, I should be able to do it without a problem. Today we're getting the Cobb front mount intercooler. I originally ordered the ETS Ultimate intercooler, but I was having so much trouble getting that shipped to California. I ordered from JD Muscle, and I ordered originally on December 2nd, and up until January 8th, I believe, last week, it still hasn't shipped. So what I was doing with that was I was sending it to a buddy in Pennsylvania, and then I was just going to pay shipping again to have him send it to me here in California. But yeah, I just went ahead and canceled the order because ETS wants to make it a hassle for me. So I went ahead and ordered the Cobb front mount intercooler since it's CARB approved and I can get that here in California. Only issue I have with that is that I have a BMS, the Burger Motorsports intake, and I'm hoping that's gonna fit. That's the main reason I got the ETS, was because I knew I wouldn't have a problem with my intake setup. But yeah, we'll have to see what happens when I go to install it and figure out what type of modifications I have to do to get that to fit properly. But yeah, that's coming very soon, and we should have everything installed next weekend because I got 3 days off. So I'm going to use those days to take the car apart and get everything put in. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to go with the D-Man tune for this, E-tune, and hoping to make around 400 horsepower or so. Of course, it's not going to go on an actual dyno, so I won't know the exact horsepower that the car is making, but D-Man Tuning, they know their shit pretty well, and I'm sure if I ask for that 400 horsepower, he's going to know exactly what to do to get it to that point, just because he has that experience. So anyways, just a quick look and quick update of what's going on. And we'll see you guys next week for the install.